Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. So I'm going to have a shuffle about today of some machines because I've got a fresh machine coming. It's pretty big, so it's going to take up quite an amount of space. So what I'm going to do first, I'm going to shift my lathe out the corner and the beaver mill, I'll drag them out and then see how much more space we need after that. So I've got my lathe moved and my beaver mill moved from out of that corner. I'm not quite sure how much space I'm going to need at the moment, but what I'm doing now is I'm just moving my press brake. So I bought a toe jack off Amazon, and then I've got 4 of these machine skates as well, so I've got them sat underneath the press brake. So I just want to winch it over enough so that this end of the block, end of the press, is that side of the post. So a little bit more to go yet. Right, so that is plenty clearer there now. So I can put that back down onto its feet again, onto its wheels. It's sat on wheels when I first got it, and I had to move it in the workshop. I welded some little wheels on the side, so it's just sat it on them. So that's the press shifted past there now. So I need to clean everything out of here. I need to move this mill. I need to move them shelves with all them drills on. There's a Leyland gearbox in the back of there I need to move. There's my turbo stove. I need to move that. A load of other crap in that bottom corner. And radial arm drill. I want to move the radial arm drill here so it's facing that way rather than facing out over. Then I need to pull this tractor forward. Well, I need to get this finished. My big plan is to put a mezzanine floor above this area here, and then I can have this separated off and have a completely separate machining room to the rest of the workshop, and everything's not getting covered in grinding dust. And I can have it insulated. I can insulate around there. The mezz floor will have to be quite high to go over the top of the radial arm drill. I can have it all insulated and then walled off. I'll have to have either a sliding door so I can still get in with the forklift to lift big stuff onto either the radial arm drill or the new mill. But yeah, that's my plan. So I need to get this finished and out of here and just get rid of all the unnecessary crap that's on the floor and everywhere. All that can go up on the mezz floor, and then I can have a nice tidy workshop tidier workshop with a proper machining area. Right, so I've got the little tractor pushed out the way. I need to get this mill out now, and I am not enjoying myself at all. There's just stuff everywhere. Them boxes need chucking out there, what them came in, but a lot of it was, this clutter was just shoved around tractor just to get it out of the way, but now I've moved the tractor, it's all everywhere. If I clear this stuff out of the way and get the forklift in through here, pick that up, take that back out that way. And then I've got all that stuff to move in the back of there. So I've got the radial arm drill moved. My friend Ben came and helped me move that last night, so cheers to Ben for giving me a hand moving that. So I've been having a fallout with myself on where I'm going to put everything else. So I've drawn myself a little floor plan. So this is my floor plan of where everything's going to go. So that's the radial arm in the corner there. The big Huron mill is going to go in the middle. That's the beaver mill in the corner, and that's the little Elliot mill. And they're drawn with like to the extreme of the travel. So that's how much space they're going to fill up. So I can still get in with the forklift, lift stuff onto that, or lift stuff onto the radial arm through that gap if I need to do. I'll reach over onto that, and then that'll be the lathe there eventually when I get the grey Fergie tractor finishing out the way. So it's a bit more of a tidy up on the floor, and then I can start putting stuff where I need it to be. So that's the beaver mill sat in the corner. I've got enough space to get full travel that way before it hits the wall. Then I put it full travel this way. And then the Huron should fit in between there. I've ended up with cutting fluid all over the floor again. So I'll jack that up now, put the wheels under that, and then wheel that straight back into there. Right, we're getting there now. So I've got them three sat in the place. So I don't think I've actually told you what I've got yet. So this is a Huron KU6 universal milling machine. It does have a new all DRO, but I think, well, the fella I bought it off says it needs a new capacitor. It does go eventually, I've seen it working, but it takes a long time to get going. At the moment it's just flashing that. It beeps sometimes, but then after it's been on for half an hour or so, it does actually work. Apart from it's missing a scale off the x-axis, is it? I always get confused which axis is which, but so it's a pretty big machine. It makes that beaver mill look small. It's got a 6'7" long bed, or 2 meter long bed by 420mm or 16.5 inches, and then it's got 1500mm of travel, or 60 inches of travel. So then the head is like double jointed, if you like, so you can turn this whatever angle you want. So you could have it facing out over, or yeah, any which way round, depending on how you have it set up. It does say in the book what degrees you need on each head to get this pointing in the right direction. You know, certain degrees, whatever you need. And the bed doesn't move that way, the head itself moves. If you want to mill that way, or whatever you want to do. So the DRO is going a bit crazy at the moment. And then the bed comes up quite high, well, it comes up to the top of there. So if you've got the head turned sideways, you can still get your part high enough. So yeah, now I've got this, I probably won't need this one anymore, but I've got it set up there for now. See how I get on. I can use that one for the tall jobs, and then this one for, well, for all sorts, all jobs, small jobs or big jobs. You can do small jobs on a big mill, but you can't do big jobs on a small mill. So that's my reasoning for getting it. Them headstocks, them JCB headstocks that I do quite a few of, rather than line boring it now, I'll be able to sit the whole headstock on here and bore it through from one side. Should open up some big opportunities for bigger jobs. So my lathe is going to go there. I need to get this tractor finished. Good excuse to get it finished. Then my lathe can go there, and then when that wall's down there, be a post there, and then this wall across here to that post there. So I also came with that racking, that cabinet and that racking, and then a job lot of tools. So I've got all them to sort out and put onto the racking now. Right, I think ready to fire it up. So it was hardwired in originally, and I've just put a 32 amp plug on the end just temporarily, just to see if it'll go. Well, I know it'll go because I've seen it going, but I think I'll do away with that's like armoured cable. I'll just put a bit of flex cable on, I think. I was looking, it's pretty fancy. It tells you your speeds and what gear you need to be in. There, your gears up there. Then there's gears for your feed. Then it's dual control as well, so you can stand here and work it. Lever there, or you can stand at the other side. There's a wheel missing off there for the Z axis. But yeah, it's pretty nice machine. Probably too nice for me, but I'll turn the phase converter on and we'll see what happens. Whether I've got it, might have to change the wire if it goes backwards rather than forwards, but it's not a problem. So it all seems to work alright, it's going the right way anyway. That's like your rapid traverse, I think. Seems a bit slow on there, and then it will go fast eventually. Well, it's meant to do that, I'm not sure. That's that. That's your up and... oh, that's your... that one, I think. Yeah, that moves that in and out. Then this one is for your fed up and down. That's like your stop, your lock. But because of this has been fitted on like extra, when it's all the way down, the lever, you can't put the lever all the way down, which then doesn't let you put it in gear. When the lock's on, it stops you putting it in gear, so you have to wind it up a bit by hand. I haven't worked out how you make it feed, the automatic feed. He did show me, but I can't remember. I'll have to read the book. And this lever at the top is like your clutch lever for the spindle. So I just realised I didn't have these in gear properly. One of them wasn't in mesh properly. That's why the auto feed wasn't working. Now, if you click it in, you can see that wheel's going round. Back the other way. Or if I click that one in, that should move. Too slow, you can't see it. Or if I move that one, it's going up. Put that in and then pull that. It goes fast. So yeah, I'm pretty pleased with that. I think it is fairly well greased up anyway. It's been sprayed with spray grease, but I think I'll give it a spray as well with some rust prevention, especially around these bits. I don't want it going rusty. And then I've got a sheet to go over it as well. These ones I've just putting a motorbike sheet over them, but this one I've got a sheet to go over a car. This motorbike sheet won't be big enough. Well, the lathe is over there, but I'm going to put it there temporarily till I get this tractor finished. So I'll have to move all them bits of plate, but enough for moving stuff about for now. I've done 2 days of just moving stuff about, so I've had enough. So yeah, that's the new machine. About got the workshop back to normal again now. I'm looking forward to getting my mez floor built, because a lot of the stuff doesn't have a place to live and I just keep moving it from one place to another and back again. That's one of the reasons why the workshop is as messy as it is. But yeah, back to normal now, so we should be back to our normal routine next week. I've got 2 jobs lined up for the Huron straight away, so it's going straight to work. So yeah, hope you've enjoyed that little rearrange video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.